At what time does the piece of wood have a velocity of 21 meters per second? We know when v is equal to 21, then we have 21 is equal to 14t. Bear in mind we did calculate our velocity function as v is equal to 14t. And our solution here, t, is 21 over 14, which gives us 1.5 seconds. So hence, the piece of wood has velocity of 21 meters per second. Let me just write this clearly here. So t is equal to 21 over 14, which is equal to 1.5 seconds. And to summarize, the piece of wood has velocity of 21 meters per second after 1.5 seconds. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Alistair, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.